Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have three different dicarboxylic acids PQR. P1 is the acid groups without any in between carbon. Q is with one carbon. R is with two carbon. You should find order of Ka2. Here the stability order is PQR. R is more stable. Here Ka2 can be high whenever there is a easy removal of H+. Here the new problem comes because you cannot remove second H+ because of dianion nearby, because same charges repel each other. P1 is charges are nearby, so it is very unstable and it repel more. So second removal of H+ is won't easy. On the contrary, R will be more stable because 2 carbon away, less repulsion. So Q will come middle. So the order will be P, Q, R is higher, P is lower. The concept you have to learn here is same charges repel each other, which dictate the carboxylic acid acidity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.